guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's topic is length versus length method in Java. Okay, so guys, if this video is already uploaded in Hindi. If you are more comfortable in Hindi, you can watch that, link is in description. Or if you want to continue in English, now let's continue this. So guys, what is the difference basically? Length is a variable, okay, it is a variable, and your length, this is a method. Okay, first of all, both are final. This is also final and this is also final, but the difference is it is a variable and it is a method. First difference is this basic difference, right? Now length is a final variable which is used for arrays. So guys, then we'll use the concept of length variable, right? If you want to find the length of the array, we'll see the examples after this. Okay, first of all, we'll understand the things. Then what is length method, guys? It is a final method which is used for string objects, right? Like if you are using string or if you are using string builder concept, then we can find the length of the string using this length method, right? Now simply I have written that only used to find the length of the string. For an example, if we have string m equal to join, and if you want to find the length of this object, if we say guys simply m dot length, SOPLN is nothing but system.out.println. Guys, I have written it for short form. Okay, you don't write this thing in your exam. So this is system.out.println, and if you will say m dot length, you will get compilation error. Why is it so? Because we have not put braces over here. If we will put the braces also, then simply output will be 4. Why 4? Because we are using a string and length of the string will be calculated by using this method only. That's why the output will be 4. But if we will not use this brace, we will get simply compilation error. Okay, we will get compilation error over here. So this is the scenario. Now let's see the example also. Now guys, let's see the example. Okay, so what we are given over here is we are simply given an array whose size is 10, right? Now simply guys, if we will say system.out.println a.length, the output will be 10. Why is it so? Because I have just told you that length variable is used to find the length of the array, right guys? So that's why a is an array, that's why we will find the length using the length variable. If we will use the length method like I have done over here, okay, this is the method, then we'll get the compilation error. Okay, so that's why simply length variable is used to calculate the length of our array. Okay, it is a final variable. Now let's see the another example. This is example number 2. In this example guys, we are having a string array, and in this string array we have 3 string values, that is like, share and you are awesome, right? Now if we print guys simply system.out.println s.length. Now because s is a array, okay, what is s? S is an array of string type. Okay, s is not a string, s is an array of string type. So that's why when we will say s.length guys, we will get error. Why is it so? Because s is not a string, s is an array. If it is an array, we should find the length of the string using what? S.length. That's simply, so I simply s.length, this is correct. So output of s.length will be 1, 2 and 3 because it is containing 3 values. Okay, so this is the correct option. This is compilation error. Okay, why is it so? Because s is a array of string type. S is not string, s is an array. That's why s.length method will not work here. But in this scenario, like system.out.println s of 0.length. First of all, what is s of 0, right? This is the array and it is containing 3 values. S of 0 means this variable, right? Now it is an array of string type, means this array is containing values which are of string type. When we say guys s of 0, it means simply nothing but this value, right? S of 0 means this value. It is a string value. So if we want to find the length of the string, we'll simply say length method, right? That's why we have said s of 0.length method. So this is the correct option. We'll get the length of s of 0. S of 0 is nothing but like, so length will be 4. Okay, so this will be a correct option. Now if we say s1.length, we'll get compilation error. Why we will get compilation error guys? Because s of 1 is nothing but a string value, right? Because s is an array, s of 1 means s of 0, s of 1. S of 1 means share, that is this value which is a string value. And if we want to find the length of this string value, we'll simply say s of 1 dot length method. Okay, if we want to find the value, we'll simply say s of 1 dot length method. Okay, so if we will say this, we'll get the value as 5. So we'll get the values as 5. So guys, to find the length of string array, we'll simply use the length variable. And if we want to find the length of any string constant, we'll simply use length method. That's why when we are finding the length of s1, s of 1 is nothing but a string value. That's why its length will be calculated using the length method. And if we want to calculate the length of array, that is s is your array, so simply you will say s.length and it will give you as 3. So this is the basic scenario guys. I hope you like the video. So guys, there are a lot of videos uploaded on this channel. And guys, if you know Hindi, more than 290 videos are uploaded on my Hindi channel. Okay, you will get the link in the description, or you can search Abhishek Sharma. Okay, you will get a lot of videos over there. And seriously guys, if you know Hindi, you will learn a lot on that channel. Do subscribe to the channel, do check it and do share it, right? Thank you so much. Guys, I have another channel. On that channel I upload videos in Hindi. This is the channel Abhishek Sharma. You can search it on YouTube, right? There are almost 286 videos and currently we have almost 15k subscribers on this channel. Guys, I upload interview related videos on this channel. You will get Java interview series also. I have uploaded a lot of subjects like cryptography in Hindi and English both. Okay, you will get quality management videos, compiler design videos, best playlist. I'll say if you know Hindi, you will get the best explanation of cryptography and compiler design on my channel, right? There are some gate questions also. Amazon interview process I have also explained on this channel. You will get C programming videos, tricky C videos, pointers in C. Guys, this is one of the most important playlists. Interviews, link list for interviews, right? I have explained all the programs in detail. You will get some vlogs and you will get computer graphics engineering, economics, file handling and so on. So guys, if you know Hindi, do visit this channel. I can guarantee you will like the content. So do visit once and do check this playlist. Okay, interview process details if you know Hindi. And this is the best video till date. So guys, this is the most important video which I am highlighting right now.